If you want to set up an alarm on Realme GT 8 Pro, we need to find the clock app, which you can find in the app drawer. Make sure that you are in the alarm section, and of course you should be able to find some example alarms. You can actually turn them on or turn them off if you want to. If you turn on an alarm, then you can see when it will go off. You can also see it over here when the next alarm will go off. And if you try to turn off, if the alarm is recurring, you can have the you can deactivate it only for today or tomorrow, and you can also turn off the recurring alarm completely. You can of course edit these alarms if you want to. We can decide if the alarm should be repeatable or if it should just ring once, etc. And we also have some additional settings in here, and of course we can choose when it should go off. We can tap on and done in order to save it. If you want to create your own alarm, then we have this plus button at the bottom of the screen, and we have exactly the same settings. And if you want to remove an alarm, you can simply press and hold your finger on that alarm in order to select it. You can select multiple alarms at once, and you can tap on and delete at the bottom of the screen. Subscribe to my channel.